Hi, my name is Taylor Ray, and you're watching How to Be an Amazing Intern on TRTV. The first thing you want to do is establish a routine. A routine always helps me, and the way I start it is by checking in with my supervisor or supervisors first to get all of the information that I need. And this includes checking up on assignments, projects, etc., and taking any notes of what my supervisor may say so that I can refer to it whenever I go back to my workstation. So now I have a means of organizing what I need to do in the day. That brings me into the second part of it, which is making a list of all the assignments and projects that I need to do. And so when I make that list, it allows me to visualize everything for that day, and it also allows me to organize what I need to do first. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a top 3 list, and in this list I'm going to be prioritizing the hardest things I need to do, because while I'm in the office I want to be able to have that time to ask my supervisors for any help if I need it. And when I'm out of the office, I'm not going to be able to do that because I actually work in the public defender's office, and so I'm not able to just talk to them on call all the time. So here I've made my top 3 list, and I'm placing them in my planner because sometimes I'm able to do some work at home. So I want to make sure I put it in my planner so that when I get home I can refer to it and say, hey, I didn't finish this earlier, so I need to go ahead and do this now. One thing that people are typically scared to do is get feedback in the process. This is very, very, very important because getting feedback is going to help you be more efficient, and it's going to help your work be more correct and be the best product it can be for wherever you're working at. And I always ask questions because I know it's going to help. And when I'm done with that, I can double check everything myself because I've asked those questions. I know exactly what I need to do. And so as I'm checking through everything, I'm checking for any grammatical errors. I'm checking for anything that I may have left out. Because I'm working with the public defender's office, I can't make huge mistakes because these are people's real lives. And even if it may not be like that in your internship, you want to make sure that whatever work you're doing it with excellence, and you're doing it with the utmost care and respect to whoever the customer, client is, or whoever it is you're working with. You always want to be a great team player and make sure that you're bringing something to the table. So establishing your routine is going to allow you to work efficiently. It's going to allow you to get things going quicker and be able to get your feedback quicker. You want to make sure you're asking those questions so that while you're in the process, you don't have to go and start everything over again. That kind of washes out the whole establishing a routine because then you're pushing yourself back. So after you've received your feedback, you've established your routine, you've done your work, please make sure to double check everything. A lot of us just kind of skim things over. No, you gotta recheck everything. In an internship, it's different than when you're in, I guess, a regular job, because in an internship, you're learning something pertaining to a particular field that you're most likely interested in working in. So you want to make sure you're doing everything correctly, because you're not going to experience this to the fullest if you're not giving it your full attention and putting in the hard work. So that's all I have for you guys. If you want more tips, just let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, bye.